Hello. Today we are starting with iterative statements. Iterative statements mainly of two types, mainly while loop and for loop. So now we can focus on while loop. So the while loop keeps repeating an action until an associated condition returns false. So the while loop, the loop keep on iterating until a condition returns false. So that's the exact descriptions of while loop. So if you look into the syntax, while there is a condition in which the evaluation happens, whether it is true or false. If it is true, then the block of statements will be executed. The block of statements will keep on execute until the condition returns false. So that's the case, or that's the condition with respect to while loop. And after the execution of while loop, respective normal statements will be printed. So if you look into the flowchart, so on evaluating while condition, if it is true, the block of statements will be printed, or if it is false, it will get exit and prints the normal statements. So this is exact while loop. So now let us move on to the code editor and have a look how exactly while loop works. Example, consider n is equal to 10 and I is equal to 0. So if you want to print a values from 1 to 10, we can make use of while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, print I, and I will iterate it with I equals I plus 1. So if I run this, I will get the elements from 0 to 10. So we can have a demo, or we can have an explanation how does it works. In the beginning, I have just defined two values where n is equal to 10 and I is equal to 0. So I have initialized I as 0. So now the while loop starts, where while loop evaluates its condition, well, I is less than or equal to n. It will check whether 0 is less than or equal to n. Yes, 0 is less than 10. Then print I. So now it will print its first element as 0. Now it will increment with 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Now I value is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now I value is 1. Again, the loop will keep on running until or unless if the condition returns false. Now I value is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to n. Yes, it is true. Now it will print I. I value is 1. Then again I will be incremented with 1. So I is equal to I plus 1. Initially I value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again the loop will continues unless or until this condition returns false. Now I value is 2. 2 is less than or equal to n. Yes. Now print I. Now the value of I is 2 and it will be printed. And again I will be incremented. 2 plus 1 is 3. The process will keep on running, and once it reaches the value 9, so 9 is less than or equal to n. Yes, it will print I. So I value is 9. Then I will be incremented with 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again the while loop will keep on running. So the I value is 10 now. 10 is less than or equal to n. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. And it will print I. So print I is value is 10. And again if I is equal to I plus 1. If it's get incremented, now I value will be 11. So 11 is less than or equal to 10, which is false. Hence the loop terminates and it gets exit from the loop. That's it. So this is how exactly the while loop works. And this is the brief introduction of while loop with example. So that's it for the day. Thank you.